Hi, hello. My name is Akash Bihar and I'm a student of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. I'm pursuing third semester uh, from the HR section and my USN ID is 1VE23IS003. Today, let's discuss about the primitive data types in Java. Introduction to primitive data types. Primitive data types are the most basic forms of data in program. They serve as the building blocks for data manipulation and storage. Understanding these types is essential for effective programming and data management. Definition of primitive data types. Primitive data types represent single values rather than collection values. They are predefined by programming languages and have specific characteristics. Each primitive data type has a defined size and range influencing memory usage. Common primitive data types. The most commonly used primitive data types include integers, floats, and booleans. Characters are also considered primitive types representing single text symbols. Each type has its unique use cases depending on the requirements of the program. Integer data type. Integer data type are used to represent whole numbers without the decimals. They can be signed positive and negative or unsigned only positive. The size of an integer can vary based on the programming language and architecture. Floating data Floating point data type. Floating point data types are used to represent numbers with parts. They can be single precision or double precision, affecting their accuracy. Type is crucial for calculations that require decimal values like scientific computations. Boolean data types. Boolean data types represent one of two values, true or false. They are often used in conditional statements and control flow structures. Understanding how to utilize Booleans is vital for logical operations in programming. Character data type. The character data type is used to store individual characters like symbols. It is often represented in programming languages using single quotes. Characters can be conformed to form strings, which are sequences of characters. Size and range of primitive data types. Each primitive data type has a specific memory size requirement. The size of values that can be represented varies based on the type and size. Understanding these aspects is important for optimizing memory usage in applications. Type conversation and casting. Type conversation refers to changing one data type into another. Implicit conversation is done automatically by the compiler, while explicit conversation requires coding. Proper type conversion is essential to prevent errors during data manipulation. Conclusion and importance. Primitive data types are foundational to programming and software development. A solid grasp of these types enhances coding efficiency and program effectiveness. Mastery of primitive data types lays the groundwork for understanding complex data structure. Thank you, guys. तूने मैं छू क्या मारी